What's up, everybody? It's your girl here. How you living? How you living? I hope y'all are having a good day. I know I am. I am back up. I am filming. New setup, y'all. I'm doing this on my phone. Hoping that it's going to work. I hope. Anyway, I have a little bit of a haul to share with you guys. I got this haul about 2 weeks back. 2 or a week ago, something like that. Anyway, I went to Hobby Lobby and they had some clearance going on. And some of these things I've already used. Some of them I took out of their original packaging. But, you know, hey, that is what it is. And I'm going to show you, excuse this mat, but I got to put this mat down so I can see what's up. So they had some Tim Holtz on sale. And I didn't get a whole lot of Tim Holtz, but I did get some things, a couple things that I was really wanting. And some of those things are, let me get these out. It's going to be just a little probably loud and annoying. And while I'm doing this, if you guys are new here, welcome to my channel. If you're not new and you keep coming back to be tortured, welcome to the torture chamber. Hope you guys are having a good day. And if you haven't subscribed, I hope you consider it. Click it down there, the notification bell. Hopefully I'm back up and running on a regular. I hope, I pray. I'm going to need all of that good vibes and prayers that you all can dish out there that this is going to happen. Anyway, so I got some of these. They are Tim Holtz little metal bars and they've got sayings on them. This one here says, dream as if you'll live forever. And then this one says, life is about creating yourself. Hope you guys can see that. This one here says, capture life's moments. Live the life you imagine. I really like that one. I threw that one down. It says, live in the moment. I threw that one down too. Enjoy the journey. Embrace imperfection. Encourage your hopes, not your fears. I really like that one. Reality has limits. Imagination is boundless. Possibility begins with imagination. I like that one too. The journey awakens the soul. That one there is pretty awesome too. I like them all. And know in your heart you were loved. So there are those. And then I got these other ones. This little tag here says inventory check. And then I got this one. That'd be an awesome book plate. And then here's another one of these little ones here. And then here's this one. And then I got this one. I don't know how much these was regularly, but I paid like $1 something for them. Which was pretty good deal. It really was a good deal. And this one here. And this one here. That one's cute. It's itty bitty. It's little bitty. That one. And then this one here. So that's all I got of Tim Holtz. I need to put it back in here so I don't lose them. But I did get some stamp sets. Because I'll tell you what, guys. Hold on. While I'm being so loud. I've been using my stamps a great deal. I mean, a lot. To create a DIY die cuts and all. So I seen they did have some stamps on sale. I shared this one already in a video that I used in a journal. This one here is regular $15.99. I got it for $3.99. So I really, really like it. It has different sayings. You know, don't worry, you got this. I am not afraid. I was born to do this. Happy only exists. Happiness can only exist in acceptance. And so it's got a lot of inspiring sayings on it. I really love this one. And then Bo Bunny. I didn't even know Bo Bunny had stamps. It's crazy. But I got Bo Bunny Traveler stamp set. It was regular $5.99. I got it for $1.49. I really like this. Now I do have some traveling stamps, but I really wanted this because I don't have this here. So, and then my first steampunk stamp set, again, it's by Bo Bunny. It is $5.99. I got it for $1.49. Look at that. Isn't that awesome? I love this, the gears, and I've already used this. I've used them all except for one. This one here is another Traveler's one. This is by Hero Arts, and I've got it turned backwards. So let me fix this so you can actually see the stamps. And again, it's by Hero Arts. And it's a Traveler set. I like the balloon, the map. I like it all. This little script stamp here. Love this. This was $15.99. I got it for $3.99. So that was a pretty good deal. Pretty good. And then this is the one I haven't used yet. This is by Momenta. It's a clean stamp. It was $7.99. I got it for $1 something. But it is this huge floral print. And I haven't used this yet, but I'm looking to use this one. Maybe, I don't know, make a card or journal cards or something. But anyway, that will make a beautiful background. So, there is my little haul that I got, you guys. Nothing spectacular, but I thought I'd share it with you guys. Hobby Lobby has been doing a lot of clearance and getting a lot of new things in. And clearancing out their old stuff. So go to your local Hobby Lobby and check out and see what they got. You never know what you're going to find. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching this. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, let me know. Leave a comment down below. Tell me how you would use some of this stuff. I'd be interested in knowing. Other than that, have a great rest of your day. And as always, goodbye. God bless. And I'll see y'all again soon.